What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shota Sprunger, and today I got my boy Peace with me.
What's up, guys?
And in today's video, we're gonna be trying out some of the unique KitKat flavors that they have in Japan. So let's get it. All right, so the first one, we got Sakura Nihonshu. What is that?
It means cherry blossom Japanese sake.
It has sake in it. I think it has 0.07% sake in it, which is alcohol, Japanese alcohol. So let's try it out. There you go.
It's pretty good.
These little packages.
Kind of cute package right here. That's pretty dope.
All right.
Cheers, Mike.
Do you like the smell of that? Oh. I don't really know if I like sake.
I do. I'm not a big fan of sake. So.
All right, let's try it out.
Right. I don't really taste the sake part though. It's more like white chocolate cherry blossom.
Yeah, at first it was like a weird flavor, but I think as you start chewing, it got better. All right, first one, not that bad. Put trash in here.
So we have an Easter KitKat. There's nothing. So it's a banana flavor. I don't know why it's banana flavor. It should be like Easter egg flavor, which is like, you know, egg flavor. That would be kind of interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's just try it out though. Let's see what's popping. Thanks, sir. Dude, KitKat, man, they put a lot of effort in their package. Oh my god, that's a strong banana.
Why did I bite it like that?
Oh, me too.
I'm supposed to break it in half, are we? Easter egg paint. I like it. Alright, so the third one we got is Ichigo Daifuku. And Daifuku is how would you explain it?
So Daifuku is basically it's mochi, but they have a sweet bean paste inside. So in Ichigo Daifuku, they have a strawberry and sweet beans inside.
So that's in one KitKat, so.
Itadakimasu. Smells good.
Gave me a headache.
Bro, really? Oh, wow, this is, wow, it's so stronger than the alcohol, man. Like,
That's weird.
20% strawberry, 70% sweet bean paste.
Did you like it?
I'm totally fine with it.
I don't think I would choose to eat it.
Really? I like it, I like it.
One's enough for me.
Nice! I think I got it.
Okay. Okay, so right in front of me, I got the tea series of Kit Kats, and we got the matcha, the two matchas right here, which is like green tea. So we got the sweeter one, we got the bitter one. This is also matcha right here, but it got yuzu in it. And then we got hojicha Kit Kat flavor right here.
Matcha is basically a green tea, and yuzu is a Japanese citrus that it's like, it tastes like lime, but they look like grapefruit. I really like them. I'm a big fan of yuzu. Are you a big fan of yuzu?
Not really.
It is really bitter though. And hojicha is a roasted green tea. It's very popular in Japan, and I actually prefer hojicha more than ryokucha, which is green tea. But I'm pretty excited for this flavor.
Let's try it. First one we're gonna try is normal matcha.
Normal matcha. Everyone loves matcha.
Go.
Thank you. I like it. It's the best flavor I have in this series right now.
You can't go wrong with matcha.
Never go wrong. If you combine matcha with something sweet, it's the best flavor ever.
Let's try the bitter one. So right here it says koi. That's what it says? Koi in kanji. So bitter matcha. So you can tell it's darker.
Got it.
Oh, dang.
Definitely smells bitter.
This is strong, bro. It's
Right.
I mean, it is stronger, but just slight.
I think it's the same.
It's the same, but like bit different. Like
I can't tell it.
Bit different.
Yeah, it's probably just a little bitter. But I mean, it's still matcha. It's still good. Okay, this is the one that I'm not really sure what to expect.
I'm low-key excited though. I'm low-key excited for this.
There's a lot of Kit Kats.
There's a lot of Kit Kats. See, this is what I'm talking about. The product effort. You put illustration on the package. I love that. I love that.
It still looks like matcha.
It still looks like matcha. Oh, it smells though.
It smells like yuzu.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's strong, bro. It's stronger than the strawberry Daifuku one.
You think
For
so?
sure, yeah. I can tell. Oh, this is like yuzu peel. Like, itadakimasu.
It's not that bad.
It's really good, actually.
There's like a soup-y like flavor to it. Like sour and chocolate. I didn't know really went together. And then matcha. This is like fun to eat.
Yeah, right?
The last of the tea series, we got the hojicha.
FYI, hojicha, if you guys come to Japan, it does not taste like green tea at all. It tastes totally different. It's more like smoky flavor.
Ooh.
Can't open it. Oh, okay. Smells good
smells
though.
good.
Smells good. Itadakimasu. Doesn't really taste like hojicha low key though.
I'm still tasting the matcha from earlier.
There's a chill flavor.
I like it. It's not strong, but
It's
it's
not
not
strong.
like it's enough.
Because
for a
all the
Kit Kat.
matchas were definitely strong.
The matchas were strong.
Maybe the matcha was too strong, so we kind of felt not strong.
Or we just ate the yuzu at the wrong timing. We
Oh,
should have
yeah.
ate that one last probably.
So, I like this one though.
I like it too. Alright, let's move on. Nothing cranberry every day.
Every day.
Oh, this is one Kit Kat.
Okay. Wow, the detail of the packaging though.
Fancy.
It's fancy, man. Plus, this one costs more than normal.
I think it was
Kit
a
Kat.
little bit more expensive. Oh, it has like the little crumbs on top.
Oh, okay. That's
looks
fancy. It's fancy. I like this one.
It takes a minute for me.
The dry fruit. I love dry fruit. I used to eat like granola every single day.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it has like that texture to it. That's good. Next one. What number is this? I lost track of how many Kit Kats we've been eating. So the next one we got, Sakura Kinako.
Cherry blossom kinako. Kinako is roasted soybeans, and they made it to a powder, and they mix it with sugar, and it's really good if you eat the mochi.
So let's see how it tastes on a Kit Kat.
I'm excited for this one. It's well balanced though, to be honest. Because at the yuzu one, yuzu was kind of a little stronger.
Very true.
Yeah, and the Ichigo Daifuku one, the sweet bean was kind of stronger, but this one's like 50-50.
These are 50-50 for sure. All right, so our next flavor, it is called
Sakura mochi.
Sakura mochi.
It's a cherry blossom mochi. So cherry blossom rice. Sakura mochi itself is kind of different than normal mochi in Japan. This is like their own flavor, and I really like them. So I have kind of high expectations for this.
Do you really?
Yeah.
I don't know what to expect from this one, so I don't know how it's gonna taste.
Let's
but-
figure it out.
Yeah, that's right. And I really don't taste it for like the first 10 seconds.
It's like corn. I have no idea.
Corn?
Yeah, like tastes like corn. I have no idea why. It tastes like corn, straight up corn.
But I think I do taste the corn a little bit. Go ahead. Oh, they teach you how to make the paper cranes on the back.
Yeah.
So you cut like a portion of this bag, and then you make it into this Kit Kat crane. This is like
Bro, you
dark chocolate.
dark chocolate. This is straight dark chocolate. So this could save us right now.
I hope so.
I hope so,
I
man.
don't really like dark chocolate. I'm more of a milk chocolate man.
But I need something bitter in my life right now.
Yeah, we've been eating a lot of sweet stuff, so let's see.
Sweating. You sweating, bro?
Oh, all the chocolate.
Damn, bro.
All right, so the next flavor is chocolate orange, and it's kind of mixed with chocolate and orange.
Ooh, I like it. I like it.
Smells like it could be gummy bears.
Yeah, right?
If they had gummy bears in this,
Bruh.
like the Haribo, like the bear,
Yeah, right?
the little bear
Yeah.
one. Very good. That's good. It was like 65% orange.
Really orange.
Maybe more. Like 70% orange.
The chocolate is bitter too.
Yeah.
It's not too sweet.
That's one of the things that good, like the
Yeah.
chocolate being bitter. Not bad. I'm only having a chocolate high right now.
Bruh. I'm like hype, a different type of high. I'm like hype high.
I cannot go for a run right now.
Really? I wanna go sprint, bro. Like, I wanna run.
You want to race?
Nah, I'm slow though. I'm slow though.
No, I haven't ran in so long.
Adult sweetness. Bro, I got you, man.
You want to do it? All right, you got it. Take it over.
This is a Kitkat Strawberry, but it said Otona no amasa. I think this is gonna be a little bitter side of the Kitkat, which is my favorite.
You think it's going to be bitter?
Yeah, I mean,
Otona no amasa.
Otona no amasa means like sweetness of adult. Okay, that's kind of gone sexual, but I think this is gonna be really good. I have high expectations for this. Let's try it out.
We already had a strawberry one earlier, right? But that's a Daifuku.
Daifuku. So this one's like actual strawberry.
So this is like straight strawberry.
Oh, smells super strong.
Have you ever noticed like strawberry flavors in Japan and strawberry flavors in the States is like different?
Yeah, Japan's more sour, I think.
Yeah, it's definitely more sour.
Right?
In the States, it's like Nesquik.
Okay, yeah.
That's what I think of. This
Yeah,
is not that.
Yeah, it's not
It's like
bad.
super sour.
Which one do you like? Japanese strawberry.
I love Nesquik. So
Okay.
I like the States sour one.
I like the six one too. Itadakimasu. Very sour.
Very sour. It's like strawberry. Almost like you're drinking the strawberry Nesquik, but inside there's like little like bits and pieces of like sourness.
Like freeze dried strawberry.
Yeah, that's exactly what it tastes like.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, we got ice cream Kit Kats.
It's a party ice cream, bro.
Party ice cream.
That's what I like.
Yummy. It says welcome.
Welcome.
It has soft cream ice cream on the cover.
Soft cream ice cream.
This is gonna be delicious.
I hope.
Because this is why.
Look at the packaging though. So friendly, all pink. Ice cream.
Front and back.
Oh. Okay. That's so colorful.
It's colorful. It's a party.
It's a party. It's a party, bro. This is nice though.
Do you think they're all different flavors?
I don't think so. It should be all the same.
It's like a frosting flavor. Like vanilla frosting maybe, with a little bit of cookies and cream mixed inside. And I think that's what they did with this one.
That's a really good way to explain it.
This is a party flavor for sure.
This is a party flavor for sure. And I think this is the sweetest one for me.
For sure, it is the sweetest one. All right, guys, so that's all the Kit Kat flavors that we have today. It was like probably half of what they have. They probably have way more, but we brought in 15 different flavors today. Which one was your favorite?
It's gonna be hard to pick one, but for me, when I taste, I'll probably eat matcha yuzu.
Oh, really?
This is my favorite.
Matcha yuzu?
Matcha yuzu.
I did like the regular matchas. The regular matchas were good. I didn't really like the strawberries. I think mine, I like the party ice cream, but it's very, very sweet.
Very sweet.
Sir, if I'm by myself, I'd probably eat the sake one.
Oh, for real?
I did like that one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I like the little bit of sake in it, even though I'm not like a huge sake fan. I think it's just something I'm not used to, so that's why it stood out to me the most.
I mean, it wasn't bad at all.
Yeah,
So,
it was pretty good.
solid choice.
All right, guys, well, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.